Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to integrate Authorize.net with WooCommerce. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to set up an Authorize.net account. So if you haven't already, sign up for an authorized account at authorize.net, provide the necessary information, and complete the registration process to obtain your API credentials. Now install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for the WooCommerce plugin, install it, and activate it. Now configure WooCommerce settings. Once WooCommerce is activated, go to WooCommerce in your WordPress dashboard and click on Settings. Navigate to the Payments tab. Enable Authorize.net Payment Gateway. Under the Payments tab, you will see various payment options. Find Authorize.net and click on it to enable it as a payment gateway. After that, you need to enter your API credentials. In the Authorized settings, you will find fields to enter your API login ID and transaction key. Enter the credentials obtained from your Authorized.net account. Then set transaction mode. Choose the transaction mode you want to use, either test or live. For testing purposes, you can select the test mode to ensure everything is working correctly. Later, when you are ready to process real transactions, switch to live mode. Now configure additional settings. You can configure additional settings based on your preferences, such as order status, payment capture, and debugging options. Review these settings and adjust them as needed. Now don't forget to save changes. Click on Save Changes to save your authorized settings in WooCommerce. Now perform test transactions. To ensure the integration is functioning correctly, perform test transactions on your WooCommerce store. Place a test order using valid payment information and check if the transaction is processed successfully. Now just go ahead and go live. Once you have completed testing and are ready to process real transactions, switch the transaction mode to live in your authorized settings in WooCommerce. So by following these steps, you can integrate Authorize as a payment gateway in WooCommerce, allowing your customers to securely make credit card payments on your online store. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.